friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're planning for the week of October 17th through the 23rd, and I'm going to be using the Autumn is Calling kit from Coffee Planner Mom. I don't know if I'm going to use everything. Layering pieces, I really have zero clue where this spread is going to go other than what I need to plan. So we are going to start off with the day covers and then move on from there. I am definitely sleepy, my friends. This past week had our first day of parent-teacher conferences, and like that's always exhausting. And I don't even get I don't typically see the parents very much during parent-teacher conference week, but it's just a late night, and teaching a full day the next day is always like This week, we have it on the 18th, and then we have Wednesday, full day of teaching, and then 2 days off. We went to this model of like after school only, because I don't know about you guys, in the past, when I was a kid, back in the old days, when I was a kid, it was like a nighttime section, and then usually the kids had a half day, and then we did conferences from like afternoon, evening. And that's typically how fall break would run. So we get these 2 days off. So what had happened in the past is like Thursday, the teachers wouldn't be off, but the students would be. Well, we were finding that a lot of families would go on vacation starting here. So we were, not seeing a lot of, not everybody did, but we weren't seeing a lot of conferences happening on this day. So by doing the 2 evenings, then everybody gets Thursday and Friday, which is nice. I love that this looks like a sunset. I'm filming this on Saturday the 15th, and I'm excited because tonight, evening-ish, we're going up to a seasonal restaurant because they'll close like the last 2 days the last days they're open, or last week they're open, is this coming week. So we're going up to Michigan to do that. Very exciting. Always exciting. Oh, that's pretty. So, and of course I've booked my fall break with doctor's appointments for my folks, because that's how we roll over here. Next we do the sidebar, because again, when I don't know, when I'm not exactly sure what the week is going to look like, I do the things that I know are going to work. Let's use and then maybe we do that and the this week sticker. I like that. That can work. Sweet. And I'm sure there'll be deco and a quote up there. I'm sure that's how that's going to roll. Okay, so again, and then Tuesday, okay, wait. Monday is Zoom meeting. Tuesday is parent-teacher conferences. Wednesday, I will just survive the day. And Thursday is pink zebra stuff and possibly returning my parents' car. Their lease is up. And then, well, their lease is up at the end of the month, but hopefully sometime during this week that's happening. Dad doctor appointment, and then me time, I think. I believe this is my haircut and Sharpie's haircut's the next week. Somebody gets a haircut on the 22nd. Somebody gets a haircut on the 22nd. So we got, where's the, there it is. Okay. So I have 7 boxes. So I kind of just want to do that whole full box deal like I typically do. Pattern, 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 image, 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 deco. Oh. This is where my brain stops working. Okay, what if we did layer, 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 layer. Okay, hang on. I have an idea for content. You guys let me know. What do you think of this idea? Where I scroll through Instagram, like the planner hashtags, like let's just use planner community as an example. And like, I almost like roulette it. And wherever I land, I have to do like a spread inspired by whatever spread is shown there. Like I'm trying to come up with like, I don't know, different ways. Well, I guess that's staying where it's at. Staying down, that's what it's doing. Okay, so we've got that. And then I was thinking maybe no, I was just thinking of like, oh, wouldn't it be fun to do like hey, I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw this spread. So this spread is inspired by insert name of creator here. And, you know, I'm going to use maybe not the same sticker book. I don't know. I got to come up with some ideas. Like layout would be one. Sticker book could be another, or sticker kit if it's one that I have. I don't know. I was just thinking of different ways to change up the channel a little bit. Do something a little different. What do you think? What are your ideas or your thoughts on the subject? Like I said, I kind of want to do Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, probably Instagram. That's where I'm at most of the time. Like roulette. And just go. And stop. This is what I'm basing this spread on. I think that would be fun. Okay, this is where things get tricky. Where do I want this? I don't want it super matchy with that. Do I put it right at the bottom? Maybe right at the bottom. think we'll do that, and then we can put a quote there. Let's do leaves are falling, autumn's calling. Let's do for Monday. Where do we want to put it down here? I think we'll put it down here. It's my Zoom meeting. And then here we can put this is getting silly, but that's okay. A little crooked, a little not quite where I wanted it to be, but that's okay. It's not the end of the world. There are worse things in life. Let's do this brighter orange for game night. And for Dad's, we can do there, and then maybe the leaves here. And then weekend banner. There. Now let's put some checklists. Finish up that guy, we'll call it good. How about that? Let's put checklist there. One there, and we'll put one up top there. Sweet. Okay, next, let's do oh dear, I broke the sticker. Took off the F, but that's why it's a sticker. We can add the F back in. I say it like it's a secret. It's not. In the past, this really would have bothered me. I would have been like, oh, I can't use it. But then I was like, it's a sticker. Some leaf deco. Sorry I'm not super chatty today, friends. Just one of those sleepy days. But I have a spread that is going to work for me for next week. Loving it. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out Coffee Planner Mom. I have a link to her website in the description below. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I'll catch you all in the next one.